pay attention and see whatever I'm going to do. Follow all the steps that I'm going to show you. Put this. So, under Pythagoras theorems, a question may come like this one. So, we read first here. The diagram below shows an isosceles triangle. When you hear the word isosceles, let all the properties of an isosceles triangle come into your mind. The first property is that it has same sides. Secondly, it also have same angles. Once you have this idea, then you can understand this diagram without problems. So the diagram here is an isosceles triangle with sides AB 10 centimeters and PQ 3 centimeters. Now look at the diagram. The diagram here has 4 parts: A, B, P, Q. Then it is called an isosceles triangle because it has this side and this side same. Then it has this angle and this angle same. But here we are not talking about angles, but sides. From there we have this line in between, which is standing perpendicular to the line AB, or vertical, meaning moving from down towards the up. So now we have these numbers. There is what we call 3 centimeters and 10 centimeters. And 3 centimeters, it is a distance from P to Q, this side. Then 10 centimeters, it is from A to B. The question says, calculate the length of side PA. Side PA. We have to find the side for PA. These are the steps. When you have an isosceles triangle, side A, B, C, and D somewhere there, and then you are able to see the symbols for 90 degrees. What you do is first cut it in between. So when you cut it in between, you are going to have the first triangle A, C, D, and then you have the second triangle, which is D here, C there, B, and then there you have 90 degrees. So there are 2, right? Yes. Now from there, we have a distance from here to there, which is DC or CD. If this distance is 10 meters, it means that the same number is for this length here, there is 10. Even in there is 10. Reason, it is one and the same thing. This side, if you have 5, the 5 is for AC, meaning AC is 5. Because of this triangle being an isosceles triangle, we say the side for this side, the length for this side is also same for that one. So if you have 5 there, it means that even here you have 5. The distance from here to there, and from here to there, when you add the distance from AD plus DB, what we're going to have is 1 length. So if from here to there you have 3, meaning from here to there also you have 3, then total is 6. Now if you are given from A to B as 6, what you do first? Divide the 6 by 2. So 6 divided by 2, you get 3. And 3 is for this side or this side. So if from A to B is 20, the first step is to divide 20 divided by 2. What you will get is 10. 10 is for this side. The same 10 is for that side. In that case, you have the triangles with all the information. For us to find the side for PN, which is PN, we need a right angled triangle. This one. Not this one. What we need is this thing. Since it is an isosceles triangle, and from here to there is 10, what we do first is finding the length from here to there. They can half, right? Yes. So half you divide 10 divided by 2, you get 5. Meaning there you have 5. This half, remove it. What you have here is 3. You can find this side now. By adding 3 power 2 plus 5 power 2, what you get is for this side. Done. The information is given there. Then we have a question here to say calculate the side for P A. This side, right? So the first thing that we have there is an isosceles triangle. Our triangle there has sides A, B, Q. What we have for A to B is 10 centimeters. That is why there are these arrows to show you that from here to there is 10 centimeters. What we have from Q to P is 3 centimeters. The question says find PN. Find PN. Because this side and this side are same, what you do, divide this diagram into 2 parts. When you divide it, what you have is P, A, and a Q. Then here, you have 90 degrees. The 3 will still remain there. How about the A, Q? To find the A, Q, you divide the AB, the whole length of this distance, by 2. Because we have 2 parts, 1, 2. So if you have 2 parts, divide the number for the whole distance by 2. So you have 10 divided by 2. What we are getting there is 5. That 5 is the number for A to Q. Now a triangle has all the information that we need. We can now find the answer. Find the answer. We need to find the length for PA. So we say PA power 2 is equals to, when finding this length, do we add or subtract? Here we add. So when you're adding, you can begin with any side, either this one or this one, because it's just adding. So for AQ, you write AQ power 2, then plus QP power 2. What to do next? Substitute. For AQ, we have 5. So there you put 5 power 2. Then you plus for QP, we have 3 power 2. What to do next? 5 power 2, 25. Plus 3 power 2, 9. When you add 25 plus 9, 34. Here we have PA power 2. So what you do next is to introduce the square root here and also there. So these 2 and the square root are cancelled. We remain with the PA equals. Knowing that 34 is not a perfect square, what we do is to maintain the same number, centimeters, and it is done just like that. So for PA, will be now the square root of 34 centimeters.